Okay, so we got this situation. Now let's see how we will crack this question. So the question is the equation of tangent to the hyperbola this. So you have to write down equation of tangent to this hyperbola which is parallel to the line this, means they have given you the slope of the line, slope of the tangent, and you have to write down equation of that tangent. So look at this, they want equation of tangent to be parallel to this equation, means can you tell me the slope? Just write down this thing in standard form, y equals x minus 2. So we know that the standard equation look like y equal to mx plus c. So here m is 1. So they are interested in finding the tangent whose slope is 1. Now let's solve this question. Now you know that uh, we have to find out equation of tangent, and whenever they will give slope we will ignore everything and we will use parametric form. So look at this, we will take help of this equation. So I want to divide both side by 20 so that we can convert this equation into standard form. So can I write x square by 5 minus y square by 4 equals to 1. So we got our equation of curve. Now I have to imagine a point. So we will imagine it in parametric form. So it is root 5 sec theta comma 2 tan theta. So this will be changed into sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Comfortable? Now what we got? We got point on the curve. So if we have point on the curve and we have to write down equation of tangent to it, we used to do t equals to 0. Correct, na? So look at this. So can I write 4 times x x1 root 5 sec theta minus 5 y y1 tan theta equals to 20. Correct? So let's write down this thing in standard form. So 4 root 5 sec theta x minus 10 tan theta y equals to 20. So according to us, equation of tangent is this. Okay. Now look at this. So according to us, what is the slope of our tangent? So we will convert this equation into y equals to mx plus c form. We will get slope as y equals 4 root 5 sec theta upon 10 tan theta. Correct? Coefficient of x by coefficient of y. है ना? Now look at this. According to us, slope is this, but according to them, slope is 1. Now let's simplify things. Means we will convert this question into one trigonometric ratio, sine and cos. Okay, so this is 2, this is 5, this is root 5. So it is 2 by root 5. Tan theta will be sine theta by cos theta, and then sec theta will be as 1 by cos theta equals to done. So this thing done. So we got sine theta as 2 by root 5. So this is our sine theta. So can I say that we got our perpendicular, we got our hypotenuse. Now what will be the base? Base will be root over h square minus perpendicular square. Correct? So it will be 5 minus 4. So we got root 1. So how we will respond? We will write plus or minus 1. Okay, so be careful. So we got base as plus 1 or minus 1. Now let's update our equation of tangent. Okay, so according to, like, let's simplify things. So I will write 4 root 5 sec theta. Sec theta is what? Hypotenuse by base. Correct, na? So it is hypotenuse by base. So what is the hypotenuse? It is root 5. Base is 1. I am assuming base to be 1 right now. Okay. And later I will replace this one. X minus 10. So who is 10? Perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is 2. Base is 1. I am assuming base to be 1 equals to 20. Now same thing I will write here. So it is base is minus 1, so it will become 4, means look at this, no, root 5 will become 5. 5 into 4, 20. So can I write 20x plus 20y equals to 20? Okay, so now look at this, here also 20, so can I divide both sides by 20? So we got x minus y equals to 1. So this is the first equation of tangent whose slope is 1. Now let's divide both sides by 20. So we will get minus x plus y equals to 1. So this is your second equation of tangent whose slope will be 1. I hope the idea is clear, and now you can write down equation of tangent if they will provide you the slope. Okay.